How to turn off active online status on Instagram. Friends, in this video we will tell you how to turn off the online active status on Instagram. What do we need to do for this? I will tell you everything step by step. So first of all, you need to open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Okay, so I have opened Instagram here. Now after this you will get an option here for the profile or button. Okay, so we will tap here. After that you will see there does at the top right corner, so we will check here. After that a new page will open. Now what you have to do here is scroll up a bit and you will get an option here. As you can see, messaging story replies will be an option. We will tap on it. After that you will get another option here after clicking show active status, so we will tap on it. Now friends, as soon as you tap here, the active status will turn on. Here we will turn it off, so it will turn off here. In this way you can easily turn it off. So